Picture this. You're deep in the wilderness, miles away from civilization. The road is nothing but rugged terrain, the kind that would make most vehicles struggle. But not this one. This is the future of off-road luxury, a Volvo like no other. A machine designed to conquer the toughest landscapes while offering the kind of comfort and elegance you'd expect in a 5-star suite. Welcome to the Volvo Futuristic Luxury Off-Road RV. Imagine stepping into a vehicle that blends Scandinavian minimalism with high-tech innovation. The exterior? Bold, sleek, and designed for adventure. Massive all-terrain tires, a reinforced body built from lightweight yet ultra-durable materials, and a futuristic aerodynamic shape that cuts through wind resistance like a knife through butter. Solar panels stretch across the roof, charging an advanced battery system that keeps you powered off-grid for weeks. And those LED light bars? They're not just for show. They illuminate even the darkest trails, making night travel effortless. Step inside and you're greeted by an interior that feels more like a high-end penthouse than an RV. Soft ambient lighting, hand-stitched leather seats, and sustainable wood and aluminum accents create an atmosphere of pure luxury. The panoramic smart glass windows adjust their tint based on the sun's position, giving you breathtaking views without the glare. And the best part? The entire cabin is voice-controlled. Adjust lighting, temperature, and even deploy hidden compartments with just a simple command. The cockpit is straight out of a sci-fi movie. A fully digital dashboard with a holographic display provides real-time terrain data, weather updates, and navigation assistance. The AI-powered driving system adapts to different road conditions, automatically adjusting the suspension for maximum comfort. Whether you're climbing steep mountains, crossing muddy trails, or cruising through the desert, the Volvo Off-Road RV handles it all effortlessly. And with autonomous driving capabilities, you can sit back, relax, and let the technology do the work. Let's talk about power, under the hood, or rather beneath the chassis. This beast is all electric, featuring a dual motor setup with torque vectoring. What does that mean? It means power is distributed to the wheels that need it most, ensuring maximum traction on any surface. Rock, sand, snow, nothing stands in its way. And with an extended range battery pack, you won't have to worry about running out of power in the middle of nowhere. Regenerative braking adds even more efficiency, so every downhill ride charges the battery just a little bit more. Now, let's get to the real magic. The living space. This isn't just an RV, it's a mobile luxury suite. A modular design allows you to transform the interior with the push of a button. Need a spacious lounge? The seats fold away, revealing a plush entertainment area with a massive OLED screen and a 360-degree sound system. Want to rest? A hidden queen-size bed glides down from the ceiling, complete with memory foam and temperature-regulating sheets. And when it's time to eat, the compact yet fully immersive kitchen emerges from the side panels, featuring a smart induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, and a refrigerated storage system that keeps your ingredients fresh for weeks. And what's an off-road adventure without a bathroom that matches the luxury of a high-end hotel? A rainfall shower, self-cleaning surfaces, and even a mini sauna. Because why not? Volvo has thought of everything. The entire system is designed for water efficiency, with a filtration unit that recycles and purifies water, ensuring you never run out, even in the most remote locations. Storage is another game changer. Built-in compartments use an automated retrieval system, so with a single tap you can access anything from adventure gear to fine dining essentials. And if you need even more space, the RV comes with a deployable side pod, a separate room that extends outward, giving you additional living or sleeping space without compromising mobility. Let's talk about connectivity. Even in the middle of nowhere, you'll never be disconnected. Satellite internet, a private 5G network, and an advanced GPS ensure that you're always in touch with the world. Or completely off-grid, if that's what you prefer. Security? Top-notch. Biometric entry, real-time surveillance, and an AI-powered defense system keep you safe from both nature and any unwanted visitors. And for those who love outdoor adventures, the RV comes equipped with an integrated drone docking station. Need to scout ahead? Launch a drone straight from the vehicle, get a live feed of your surroundings, and plan your route like a pro. There's even a built-in garage for an electric dirt bike, so you can explore the terrain without moving your entire home base. Now, the real question. How does this futuristic Volvo RV make you feel? Imagine waking up to a sunrise over a canyon, brewing your morning coffee with a voice command and stepping outside to fresh mountain air, knowing that you have everything you need right there with you. This isn't just travel. It's a revolution in the way we experience the world. This is the future of off-road luxury. This is the Volvo Futuristic Luxury Off-Road RV. And the only question left is, where will it take you next?